Okay, so Devil Verdi here. I'm gonna explain you about the Society 5.0 and educational field. With an advancement of technology in the area of in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, the way of learning and teaching has undergone significant changes. The internet and computers are the main tools in facilitating the teaching and learning process, shifting the traditional face-to-face model between teachers and students. In this era, learning can be done through online classes using your social media or other online platform. The speed of internet and the efficiency of search engine have created a digital literacy movement where searching for information and concept can be done easily and quickly. In the context of education in this era, educators can adopt a hybrid blended learning model, combining face-to-face learning with online learning. Learning management system becoming an important tool facilitating discussion, exams, and distribution of materials online without the need for face-to-face meeting. Students are faced with critical thinking demands and case-based learning method become a relevant option. Teachers in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 are expected to have core competence, including educational research, digital globalization, and future strategic competence. The concept of Society 5.0, introduced by the Japanese government, offers solution to social issues by integrating technology and humanities. Society 5.0 is expected to create a smarter society with future service in various sectors. The utilization technology in the Society 5.0 era, such as the Internet of Things, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence or AI, is expected to create qualified and competent graduates in the industrial world. With the adoption of technologies such as AI, IoT, and augmented reality, education is expected to become more flexible, allowing students and college students to learn anywhere and anytime. Society 5.0 offers the concept of better society through a balance between the development of business, economy, and social aspect, overcoming the problem arising in the era of industrial revolution 4.0. Thank you.
I'm Keisha, and let me explain what is data science and the techniques. Data science is a broad field that involves processing, analyzing, and interpreting data to gain valuable insights and support decision making. Data science is a scientific discipline concerned with collecting, managing, analyzing, and interpreting data to gain valuable insights and support decision making. This field combines elements from statistics, mathematics, computer science, and specialized knowledge domains to explore and understand hidden patterns in data. The following are some of the main techniques and tasks in data science along with learning techniques. The first one is data exploration. The main task of data exploration is understand data structures, find patterns and trends in data, identify outliers and oddities in data. And some of the learning techniques. The second one is data processing. The main task of that data processing, pre-processing is cleaning data from missing values and outliers, data transformation such as normalization and scaling, encoding categorical variables. The third one is machine learning. The main task of machine learning is training a model to predict or classify data, evaluation of model performance. The next one is deep learning. The main task of deep learning is building and training artificial neural networks, processing large and complex data. The next one is sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis main task is analyze the sentiment of a text or review using an NLP or natural language processing techniques. The next one is big data analysis. The main task is process and analyze data at scale using technologies such as Apache Hadoop or Apache Spark. The next one, or the last one, is a data science project management. The main task is plan and manage data science project to communicate results effectively. That's it for my presentation or explaining about data science and the techniques. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nijin Izatu Sabina. I'm going to present the result of my paper for final exam artificial intelligence class. The development of artificial intelligence, the utilization of artificial intelligence or AI technology has been widespread in various fields of life, especially in the world of education. The use of AI in the education sector allows the utilization of technology that can optimize the potential of each individual. There are three examples of artificial technological advances in Indonesia as follows. The first one is revitalization of digital-based agricultural technology. Indonesia, as an agrarian country, is facing a technological revolution in the agricultural sector. Digital farming technology has led to innovations that increases efficiency. For example, mobile apps and web platforms allow farmers to monitor soil conditions, moisture, and weather prediction in real time. And the second one, there is the role of artificial intelligence in the financial sector. Advances in AI technology have transformed financial services in Indonesia. Local fintech companies use AI to quickly and accurately analyze financial data to assess credit risk. The financial platforms are adapting intelligent chatbots that use AI for round-the-clock customer service, assisting in transaction, production explanations, and other service. And the third one, which is the last one, is health technology and telemedicine innovation. Health technology and telemedicine are growing in Indonesia, especially since the COVID-19 pandemic. Various telemedicine platforms are enabled online. There are also the doctor consultants. Health apps provide AI-based early diagnosis services to help users understand their health condition. In addition, the use of the Internet of Things or IoT in medical devices such as personal health monitoring connected with smartphones is becoming an important trend. And that's the wrap of my presentation for final exam artificial intelligence class. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mario Theodorik. In this moment, I will talk about Millennium Development Goal Target. In Millennium Development Goal Target, I picked three problems. The first one is poverty and starving. In poverty, the problem is about economic inequality, vulnerability to economic crisis, limited access to education and employment. And for starving, the problem is food instability, inequalities in access to food, inadequate agricultural infrastructure, humanitarian crisis and conflict, and lack of awareness about nutrition. The solution of this problem requires about global cooperation, effective policies, investment in economic and social development, and effort to address the root cause of poverty and hunger. The second one is about improving maternal health. The problem in this case is about limited access to maternal health, inequality in health access, reproductive health and family planning, risky traditional practice, lack of health education, humanitarian crisis and conflict, anemia and malnutrition, and maternal mental health. The effort to improve maternal health is about improving the healthcare system, increasing access to health information, improving health education, support for family planning, and promoting safe and quality maternal care. The last one is promote global partnership for development. In this case, the problem is about financial and technological cooperation, debt relief, developing access to market, collaboration in global health, fair access to medicine and health technologies, development of global policy principle, strength international cooperation. For this solution in this global cooperation, just hoping about the country can work together to collective overcome development problem and achieve the development goals set by the MDG. And I will talk about PEACE, performance, measure, environment, actuator, and sensor. PEACE is a framework used to design and understand intelligent system or intelligent agent. This is help in detailing how the agent will operate in a particular context. Let's apply this framework to intelligent agents commonly used in fields such as artificial intelligence or robotics. The first one is performance measure. The definition of this case is parameter or criteria used to measure the extent to which an agent achieves a goal or complete a task. For the example is success rate in executing a particular task, accuracy of decision making, time required to complete a task. The second one is environment. The definition of environment is the place where an agent operates, including all objects, entities, and information that influence or affect by the agent. The example in robotic, the environment can be a physical room with certain objects. In artificial intelligence, the environment can be a database, virtual world, or even the internet. The third one is actuator or driver. The definition of actuator is a component or device that allows an agent to interact with the environment or perform action. The example in robotic, a drive can be a motor or wheel that allow the robot to move. In AI, driver can be command or output produced to influence the environment. And the next one is sensor. The definition of sensor is a device or component that allows an agent to detect or receive information about its environment itself. The example in robotics, sensor can be cameras to detect the object, temperature sensor, or distance sensor. In AI, sensor can be include sensor that detect data from virtual environment or sensor that measure data from multiple sources. And there is thank you.